Hello, this is Matthew Struck with Treadstone Risk Management. Today I'm just going to be taking you through a really quick overview of our service portal on the home page. This is really available to most of our clients if they have any day-to-day needs, and you'll see what options are involved. Right here I'm starting off right on the Treadstone Risk Management homepage, just treadstonerisk.com. If you see at the top menu, there's a link entitled Service. If you click on that link, it takes you to the service portal. Right at the very top, you'll notice that there is a directory button here. If there is something that you have to speak directly to one of our teams about, clicking that directory button will take you to a full listing of our team members and how to contact them. If you don't need something directly from one of the team members, you do also have other options. So your options include submitting a claim, requesting a certificate of insurance, adding or removing a vehicle from your policy, adding or removing a building or a location, sending us a request if you have a question about billing or invoicing, or also an all other inquiries request that you can make if you have a miscellaneous need. So what I'm going to do is most all of these operate exactly the same way. I'm simply going to click through, for this example, requesting a certificate of insurance. You'll notice it brings up a pop-up form. You'll be requested to enter as much information as possible. Some of these fields will be required and others will not. If any field is required and it's left empty, it will notify you. So what you'll do is you'll go ahead and you'll fill in your first and last name. I'll do that quickly now. Your email address. And this will pre-fill for me for some of these fields, just because I'm already set up on my computer with these fields pre-filled. But so your phone number, the name of your organization or your company, the reason for the certificate request, so it can just be evidence of insurance. It will ask you what types of coverage you want included in the certificate: general liability, property, auto, cyber coverage, workers' comp, flood coverage, professional liability, or medical accident coverage. It's going to ask for the name of the entity that's requiring the certificate. So we're just going to put ABC Company. The address of the entity requiring the certificate. This should be the full address. So Morristown, New Jersey. And then a contact name for who's requesting the certificate, just so we have an individual that we can get in contact with if there are any questions as far as how the certificate needs to be completed. A contact phone number at that location or that individual's contact information, so we can get in touch with them. Whether or not the insurance certificate requires additional insured status. In this case, we're going to put no. And then any message that you might have regarding the certificate, if there are special circumstances or if you need it handled in a special manner. And the last section here is an upload section where you can add any supporting information. At the bottom of that form, you'll see a Submit Certificate Request button. By clicking that, a member of our team will be notified that you need this certificate request. You should also receive an automated email that says that we've received the request and that we're working on it as quickly as possible to fill this request. Now, once you go ahead and you complete one of these forms in the service area once, the next time that you come back to one of these forms, the top sections should be completed automatically, as you've already input that information once before, and we want to reduce the total amount of time that it takes for you to complete these service requests. So if you would, go ahead and look through this service portal. Again, you can submit a claim, request a certificate of insurance, add or remove a vehicle, add or remove a building or a property location, ask a billing or invoicing question, or even all other miscellaneous questions that you might have. If you do have any suggestions for us to improve this portal after using it, we would love to hear from you. You can either email us at info@treadstonerisk.com, or you can also leave comments on this video or anywhere else where we put out information such as social media. So we're looking forward to taking care of your service requests. Thank you very much for being a client of Treadstone Risk Management, and have a nice day.